I recall the time when I first met Nami. It was in 1995, and she was a young and beautiful girl. It was the greatest legacy for God to marry to her. So I know he was my mother of the great child. That also made us with a family, happy family. I would like to say sorry to another family. I'm so sorry that I did not take good care of your child. She is such a good wife and a good mother. May God comfort our heart. Hold on to God promise. We will meet again in heaven. May God bless you all. And I love her very much, even though I'm not good explaining it. At first, our life with the ladies are so hard, but she never complained it. I tried to give her a good life. Later, God placing us in our life, we give a better. And there are many our plans that could not be complete in time. I'm looking back, it was all my fault. I was not carefully enough for her. And life is so fractured. I'm sorry to God and to my next family. So I hope our family here can be forgiven. And mommy, if you remember this, I have a worship in the house. Mommy asked me, please don't forget us. But my answer was, of course, not mother. I will always be your son-in-law. And as we brother Boyet came to Taiwan and said to me, I'm sorry, we lost our sister. But don't worry, brother. You still have us. So, Boy is my good brother. And also, God has placed me with such a wonderful family, brother and sister, and wonderful niece. It is my greatest happiness to lose everyone. And I also want to say everyone, maraming salamat po to coming today and then to with our family. I was with married our staff when I is already 30 years, exactly 30 years. So I remember it, 30 years, so short. So we have so many questions to that, but all those that want to ask. So we have to answer it. Yes. So lucky is really good well. And she can be so much. And hopefully also, as God promised to us, we will meet again with God in heaven again. So my daughter also want to say something to our mother.
Hello everyone. Everything happened so soon and suddenly, so I didn't have much time for me to have that moment for my mom because I had so many work in Taiwan and we have so many projects much to process. So I'm here telling everyone that they are being asking me if I can subscribe a word to my mother, what will I choose? There are many thoughts around in my mind, but the first one that came out of my mouth is good cooking, because my mom always cook very good food for me, take care of me and my dad, and let us have a nicely food and healthy food for us to continue my study and my dad's work. So I really miss her very much because she was there every time when I have a sad moment or I feel down. So I really want to thank her that thank you to give birth of me, give me a life and become my mother and give me everything that she has and love and care. So I'm here. I want to thank my mom. Thank you, and I wish you can be happily in heaven and we can meet each other when the day comes. Thank you.